Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Let's study how to derive basic gates from universal gates. As we know, the basic gates are NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. So we have to derive these gates from the universal gates, that is NAND and NOR. Let's start with basic gates using NAND gate. As we know, the NOT gate having only one input, but we have to derive it from NAND gate. So we have to show two inputs of NAND gate to get one input. As we know, the Boolean equation of NAND gate is A dot B complement, but here we are shorting the terminals A and B to make it A. That's why we have to substitute the value. Instead of B, we are using A. So we will get A dot A bar is equal to. As we studied in Boolean laws, A dot A is equal to A. So we get A bar. And as we know, A bar is the Boolean equation of NOT gate. So in this way, we can derive NOT gate from NAND gate. Let's study how to derive AND gate using NAND gate. Let's derive AND gate from NAND gate. See, as shown in the diagram, AND gate, we can derive AND gate from the NAND gate, as the NAND gate is the negation of or the inversion of AND gate. So, after the NAND gate, if we can connect the NOT gate, then we'll get the AND gate. As we studied in last topic, that is NOT gate from NAND gate. So here first we have to draw the diagram of NAND gate, and after this NAND gate we have to add NOT gate, but by using NAND gate. So after the NAND gate we add here NOT gate to get AND gate. As we know, the Boolean equation of NAND gate is A dot B bar. But by adding after NOT gate, we get here A dot B double complement. So the double complement will cancel each other and we'll get A dot B. That is the Boolean equation of AND gate. In this way, we can derive AND gate from NAND gate. Let's start to derive OR gate using NAND gate. As we know De Morgan's theorem, it states that A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Means the NOR gate is equivalent to bubble AND gate. So first we have to use bubble means NOT gate. So we have to use two NOT gates, and again to that we have to use the diagram of AND gate using NAND gate. In this way, we get NOR gate using NAND gate. But we have to derive OR gate. So next to that, we have to connect one NOT gate. The series NOT gate will cancel each other and we get this diagram. So this is the diagram of OR gate. See, in this diagram, two NOT gates are there and one NAND gate is there. The next two NOT gate cancel each other. So we'll get this much of diagram, and this is the diagram of OR gate. By using two NOT gates, we get A bar and B bar. And we know the equation of NAND gate is A dot B complement. So here instead of A and B we have A bar and B bar. So the equation becomes A bar dot B bar whole complement. So we'll get so by solving this, finally we'll get the equation A plus B, and that is the equation of OR gate. In this way we derive OR gate using NAND gate. Now we start to derive basic gates using NOR gate. Let's start with NOT gate using NOR gate. See, in the diagram, as we know, the NOT gate having only one input, but the NOR gate having two inputs. So, we have to short the two inputs of NOR gate to get one input. As we know, the Boolean equation of NOR gate is A plus B complement. So, but here we are using only one input, so B is replaced by A. So we'll get A plus A bar. As we know, A plus A is equal to A. So finally we'll get the equation A bar. This is the equation of NOT gate. Let's derive OR gate using NOR gate. See, to derive OR gate, we have to connect after a NOR gate, a NOT gate. It will remove the negation from the NOR gate, and finally we'll get the OR gate. So, as the equation of NOR gate is A plus B bar, after connecting NOT gate we'll get A plus B double complement. So that double complement will cancel each other and we'll get A plus B. That is the equation of OR gate. In this way we derived OR gate using NOR gate. Let's study AND gate using NOR gate. As we know the De Morgan's theorem, NAND gate is equivalent to bubbled OR gate. So here we have to use two NOT gate using NOR gate, and again to that we have to use OR gate using NOR gate. In this way we get NAND gate using NOR gate. So then we have to take the NAND gate using NOR gate, and again to that we have to connect the NOT gate using NOR gate. The series NOT gate will cancel each other and will get the diagram of AND gate using NOR gate. Finally, we get the diagram of AND gate using NOR gate. So, first two NOT gate gives us output A bar, second gives B bar. So, it is given to the NOR gate. So, we'll get the equation A bar plus B bar whole complement. By solving this, we get A dot B, that is the equation of AND gate. This is the summary of how we can derive basic gates using universal gates. Here you get the basic gates from NAND gate and NOR gate. Thank you. Thanks for watching.